have a big adventure today. Today we're going to Las Vegas to get 3 new credits. 2 at the Adventuredome and then 1 at the New York Hotel. You ready, love?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. We're here.
We're here.
We made it. So we have a couple things planned. We're gonna hit up the Adventuredome, hit up the Circus, and then we hit up the Buffalo Bills. Got some footage of the old Desperado.
Super cool.
Super cool. I'm sad, but that video should be up too. So make sure you look out for it. But are you ready, love?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
We
made it here to the
here.
Adventuredome. We're gonna take a ride on a logo. We're excited. It looks crazy.
Looks crazy.
It looks crazy. Are you ready, love?
I'm ready. Let's do
do
it.
It's a weird ride, for sure. It was weird.
It's very weird.
A little jank, for sure. But it's okay. It's okay.
It's like you took a wild mouse and threw some crazy laterals in it and hung you upside down a few times.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's pretty good.
It's still fun. It's still fun. I had a great time on it. It's still fun. Still a little janky, you know what I mean? But we're gonna do it again.
We're gonna go again.
So let's do it. Hey guys, we made it over to the Canyon Blaster. Super excited.
Oh yeah. The old one. I have this credit. She doesn't though.
New credit for me. New credit. So
credit.
You ready, baby?
Let's
do it.
It was so good.
It was so fun. You think it would be a little bit jank, but actually it's pretty good.
It's not bad at all.
It's not bad. It's
not bad at all. There's a really good pop of airtime in it actually too.
Yeah.
Like I've been on it and I was terrified it was gonna be rough, it was gonna hurt. Oh no, that was actually a really good ride. It was really fun.
I was thinking it was gonna be like Viper and nothing like it.
No, nothing like it
at all.
It was good. It was good. No head banging, super smooth. There's a couple good air pops on it. There's, a couple good G-forces on there too. It's pretty good. It's not bad. It's pretty fast. It's indoor.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. Thumbs up for that one.
For sure. We're gonna do it again.
Oh yeah.
All right. We just got off the drop tower. It was fun.
It's fun.
It's fun.
It's pretty fun. It shakes you up real fast. It kind of takes you up a little bit and then drop. It's not like a crazy drop, but the shooting up part's super fun.
Yeah,
actually.
super fun. Yeah, and then we did the go-karts before this.
Oh, bumper cars.
Oh yeah, bumper cars. That's right, bumper cars. And they were super fun too.
They're fun. They're pretty fast. It's a one-way track, but you go around what seems like forever.
Yeah.
We're just laughing because we're just like going around. There's like 4 of us and we're like not hitting each other, just driving.
Just driving around in
fun.
circles.
It was fun.
It was good. So far, I'm having a great time.
Oh,
So, yeah. So, we're
we're gonna go hit this other little, what is that called? A disco.
That's a disco. So let's see how it goes. Let's do it.
Really loving it so far.
We're loving it. We're having a great time. It's a new experience, getting on new rides. It's super fun.
Oh yeah.
So I'm not sure what we're gonna get up to next, but whatever it is, let's do it.
Sing. Oh, if I could talk to money, how great my life would be. We tell each other secrets, all their friends would visit me. If I could talk to money, and it could talk to me, we'd always be the best of friends for all eternity.
Backwards. Yeah. There's not much force there. Maybe we're just getting too thrill seeking for stuff like that. Yeah, but it was a good ride. For a kid, it's great.
It's fun for a kid, yeah, for sure. Well, we'll see what else we get into. So that concludes our visit at the Adventuredome. I had a blast. My first time here. Canyon Blaster, and that's an awesome ride. Awesome. I loved it. I came in with low expectations about it because it's the Arrow, but it ended up being a really good coaster.
It's really good.
Yeah, really good for sure. And the Loco, it was okay, but still had an amazing time nonetheless. What did you think of this visit, Liv?
Oh, I loved it. I grew up coming to Vegas. This is what we did, so I got to show what I used to do as a kid. I would run that Adventuredome for hours, with my cousin, and that's what we did. So it was really sentimental to me. I love that she loved the rides too. If you're visiting Vegas, it's definitely worth the stop. If you've got kids, it's a good value. There's a lot going on in there, and it's a good time. We had a great time. I think there were some good credits for this club.
Oh yeah, for sure. So we're on to the next New York Hotel for the Big Apple coaster. You ready, Liv? We made it here to the New York Hotel to ride the Big Apple coaster. It's right there. I don't know if you can see it. We made it. This is our final stop. Super excited. Stacy hasn't rode this one either, so this will be the first one for her. First one for me, new credit, and we're ready. I think I'm ready for it. You ready, baby?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do
it.
That shit was She's fun.
Yeah, she is. Ride more roller coasters with her.
There's the strip. Yeah.
The Big Apple roller coaster, and it was fun. I enjoyed
really
it. You know,
it was really good.
Yeah, I'm really, you know, happy. You know that I got to experience all these rides today, and I wasn't disappointed at all. I had fun. You know, it was good to get those credits that I didn't have. You know, she had one of them, so you know, it was two. You know, that she gained today. So we're super excited. You know, about the coaster we got to experience today, and I couldn't be happier. I had a great time. What about you?
What a cool life-changing thing. I mean, not life-changing, but once in a lifetime kind of thing. You know what I mean? Like this coaster, it may not be the best in the world, it may not be the fastest, tallest, anything like that, but it's wrapped around the New York Casino in Vegas. You know, that's
cool.
So cool. You know, we got a picture from it. It's a great experience. We've just had an awesome trip. All centered around coasters. We're going to check out a little bit more of Vegas, and it's just awesome. It's amazing. We've had a great time.
Exactly. And then I'll go ahead and post that picture for you guys right after the end of this video so you can see it. We had a great time. And again, like she said, we get to experience new things now. You know, to things that we didn't get to experience before, but we get to experience them now in recovery. And I couldn't be more grateful. Like I always say, that the life that I get to live today because of recovery. What do you think?
100%. Yeah,
100%.
We got better, so we get to do better things now.
Exactly. And you know, this is where we're going to wrap it up. So thank you guys so much for watching. You know, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. You know, we really appreciate it. Join us on this journey. You know, coast through recovery with us. So, you know what? As always, guys, it's the thrills without the pills. Thank you.